Today we're gonna try to make it rain. We have these flares that contain a mixture of salts, and this is called cloud seeding in the UAE. We're gonna take off and press this button over here. It says fire. That right there will ignite the flares, release the salts into the clouds, and make it rain, hopefully. I'm gonna press the fire button, but first we gotta set it up. Look, so over here, I'm gonna switch it over to R1, like that. And I'm gonna put this down to 3, like that. And I'm gonna press fire, you ready? 3, 2, 1. 5, fire. 6, fire. And fire. Now look at that. Number 2, fire. Number 3, fire. Let's have a look.